8839.
What's the second? What's the third one?
8839.
What?
8839.
Yeah, I don't have enough memory on my phone. Yeah, right. Alright, guys. Hold on. Yeah, night southbound, cool. Is he going towards Richmond?
Yeah.
I think this is the one that came out of the tunnel.
It is.
Is it long?
Yeah, it's a little long. It's pretty long.
Southbound, cool. TTS. Maybe there's some double stacks. He's going towards Richmond, guys. Nice, we're southbound. This is the one we missed, came out the tunnel, guys. But after this, that one we saw double stacks, just going to be an engine coming back south, just an engine after this. And that'll be one of them, but then the 2 million pound to come, but we're just going to see this one for tonight, okay? Hey guys, here's part 2, okay? You see the end yet? Is it a good video or bad video?
It's fine.
Good? Okay. That's why I was asking. Yeah, he's going slow, yeah. I don't know how he got. Are we in the middle of the lane? Is this between Wagons and Speedway? So this one's Allan, is it? Let's see if we, yeah guys, it's a long train. See if I see any 11s. Not yet. Clear car. I don't think this is the one we see came out the tunnel.
It is.
Huh?
It is.
I know, but wasn't it long or short?
It was decently long, but it was freaking moving. It was going really fast coming out of the tunnel, so.
We'll reach the car. We saw when we're backing up. Is that empty double stack?
It's just a flat car.
Yeah, it's a flat car. Alright guys, cool. Haven't seen a light southbound. Video size reach stop. Oh man. Alright guys, here's part 3. I have to, my storage is getting full. Oh my god, man. Alright, yeah. Can you guys take them off the computers? Can you guys put them on the computer sometime?
Yeah, like all your train pictures that are on there that are 100 years old.
Okay, I'm gonna take them off. That might be the end. Nope. What type of car is the end?
I don't remember.
Alright guys, here's part 3. Cool, 2 videos of this night southbound. White gas car. Yeah, that's a long train, guys. You see the end yet? Huh?
Oh yeah.
That sure is a long one. Alright, I'm gonna put my earplugs in here. Alright. So Monday I have on. Cool guys, going towards Richmond. Signal's yellow in Richmond. You see the end yet or not? Yeah, there's that coal car there. Remember that coal car? That's that coal car.
Yep.
One of these gas cars are the M. Is this the one we saw parked? Did it pick up more cars?
No.
I think one of these gas cars were basically supposed to be the end. Yep. Yeah, guys, here comes the end. The end's coming. You see the end?
Yeah.
Oh. And the 11s?
I haven't been watching for 11s. There's one.
11? Huh? You see any more?
Yep, there's one.
Yep, I saw it. 11:30, right? There's the end. Alright guys, let's go for now. Alright.